river east towards east. West is ours. And next Krishna is also.
Final inspection going on at the main temple. That's the main temple. And that is Murugan. This is the Rama Lakshmana Sita small temple.
For using cigarettes, scissors. We call it tukka. Oh, tukka.
This is the place for Lingam. This is the place for Ambal Devi. Yes. Now I can come. He is Mr. Purushothaman, the Sthapati temple architect, who has built temples in many places. And it has been done under his leadership. Beautiful. I'm going to put it on the YouTube. Thank you. And he is going to build a temple in Melbourne now. This is the place for Vishnu. Now, with the roofs, when it comes, and then the Kalasham will come on the top, yes. Dream come true. Really. Today is the final inspection day. We still have to update the shed. We have to make a ceiling, walls, air conditioning.